iconic kapda. So like when you see this, it's like automatically his face is there. And I was a little confused between like Shah Rukh Khan also for just like maybe 10% of.
Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Movies. We are here to do yet another quiz, and this is probably the last one for 2020. So brace yourselves and all the best. Quick introduction. So we've got Ankita, Neil, Ria, and Shreya joining us, and the format is going to be the same as the last time. We'll go with direct questions in alphabetical order, starting with Ankita, then Neil, then Ria, and then Shreya. And at around the seventh or eighth question, we will reverse the order. Every direct is 10 points. And then if you're not able to answer the direct, then it'll become a 5 pointer with a hint. Cool?
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Question number one is Ankita's direct. This 1988 Hindi film is based on an Australian mini series called Return to Eden. In its time, this was one of the few female oriented movies. With X, which is the movie that we're talking about, the director destroyed the myth that it was essential to have a hero as the protagonist and that heroines were just there to serve as interludes and mannequins. In fact, the movie led the leading lady to win her second ever Filmfare Award for Best Actress, 8 years after her first one. The film was later made in Telugu as Gauthami, in Tamil as Thendral Sudam, and in Kannada as Jwala. Identify the movie.
Late 80s, so matlab, that was the time actresses like Shabana Azmi and Smita Patil just rose to fame. Smita Patil was long gone by 80s. Women-centric film of the 80s. Even though I'm not sure exactly what year Smita Patil died, I think I'm going to go with Mandi.
No, it's not the right answer.
Which one? Which one did you say?
Mandi. Moving to Neil. There are many hints in the question. 1988 movie. It led her to win a Filmfare Award. Female protagonist.
No known hero person in the movie. Is it Khoon Bhari Maang?
It is Khoon Bhari Maang.
Oh, good one.
It is Khoon Bhari Maang. Okay, good answer. So the next direct goes to Ria. I want you to tell me what is common to these, other than the obvious, of course, that they all had Shah Rukh Khan. So these are posters of Chamatkar, Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, Circus, and Swades.
Okay. Anything? What's common? All of them. Chamatkar, Circus.
Ria, this should be totally up your alley with Shah Rukh Khan.
Will I get any more hints, or this is it?
If nobody answers in this round, then you'll get one hint.
Okay. Okay, one.
What are you thinking? On what lines are you thinking?
I'm trying to think on what line should I think.
Yeah.
Chamatkar, Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na.
Circus is kind of.
But circus is also there. The thing is that's what like, makes me like.
Yeah.
Is there a hint in the picture itself?
I mean, not more than what you can see.
Okay. Maybe.
What was
Is
the
there-
answer to that? Is there a hint in the picture?
Not more than what you can already see.
Which is Shah Rukh Khan's face.
Is Nasiruddin Shah like I don't know, maybe.
No, Nasiruddin Shah was there in Chamatkar, but I don't think he was there in any of the others.
I don't.
But I think you're on the right lines, at least.
Really? Can I get another chance now?
So moving on to Riya.
So along the right line, so somebody, okay, I have two answers. Can I give two answers? But the second answer is not really, I feel like it's the wrong answer.
I think I know the answer now. Can I?
No.
Oh.
Is it Deepak Tijori who's in all of these
No.
movies?
No. Okay, moving to Ankita. I think she knows the answer.
I think it's Ashutosh Gowarikar.
It is Ashutosh
I
Gowarikar.
was going to answer that. I'm not kidding.
They're all written by Ashutosh Gowarikar, right?
Oh, really? Oh.
Swades was made by Ashutosh Gowarikar and he acted in all the,
He acted in?
the remaining three.
Oh,
He was in Chamatkar and Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. I think he was friend of Shah Rukh Khan in both. And he was obviously there in Circus as well. So Ankita gets 10 points. Okay, so because Ankita answered this, the next direct is for Neil. We know that actors go to extremes to get into the character of their roles. One such instance was when, in one particular scene of the movie, RS, these are the initials of the actor, was required to exhibit pain, for which the actor went a step ahead and actually hurt himself to emote the sequence in the best possible manner. RS kept piercing himself repeatedly with a safety pin for this shot. Identify the movie.
No, this is Joey Tribbiani. He's not RS.
who is next after Neil?
Riya.
Is it Ranveer Singh and Lutera?
It is Ranveer Singh and Lutera.
Makes sense.
I was guessing Ranveer Singh, but I was guessing it for Khali Wali movie.
I was split between Padmavat and Lutera, but Padmavat pieces are.
I thought Ram Leela for some reason. But yeah, I've read this and actually, yeah, Lutera is the one.
And I've heard that he did something for Padmavat also. He did something.
He went for like a 3-month full psycho mode.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next direct is for Riya. It is another picture question. Riya's being lucky.
Picture question.
Want you to identify the movie and the name of the character from the picture below.
Oh my
This is
god.
Amir Khan. I guess it was Amir Khan or something with some movie. Wait, let me have to think.
Oh, who's
Amir-
after Riya?
You.
Amir Khan in the, was it his first? Wait, let me think. Name of the character also. Okay. Okay.
And I'm going to give Riya a time limit this time.
Oh.
She wander off in her khayal.
Wait. Okay, first actor ke liye bhi I'll get, right?
You will get this for the, not for the actor, movie and name of the character.
Okay. Movie and Rangil. Wait, no. Wait, let me think. I know for sure it's. Time remaining here also showing. It's Rangila only, right? Rangila.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, it's my final answer.
And the name of the character?
Now give me more, like 2 more minutes. Some dialogues.
Give me your answer together.
Okay. He was this Tapori person. So let me Tapori, like, yeah. I remember the name. It's very close. It was a very common name, like pet name kind of thing.
Riya arrives. She gets so
arrives.
Okay, now quickly, I'll give you.
Munna. Was it Munna? Please, I hope it's Munna.
What is your final answer?
Let me think, then Munna, let me rethink about Munna. Asking me lock kiya jaye ki nahi. Munna, because I can't think of more names. I have to think a lot now.
So your final answer is Rangila and Munna.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the correct answer.
Wow. What great deduction or whatever thinking.
It's very funny. I saw this picture
Thinking
and
your way to the right answer. You should write a book.
I saw this image and I could imagine his face. Like it's a very iconic kapda. So like when you see this, it's like automatically his face is there. And I was a little confused between like Shah Rukh Khan also for just like maybe 10% of Shah Rukh Khan because I don't know by like
Oh, Josh.
किसी चीज का जोश में this some other because
This
there
look
are
is
levels
also
also.
there in Gulam. Gulam also has
हाँ.
The topi reminded me of Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi.
Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, the 2PS.
But of course, the yellow shirt and that's a giveaway. That's a
And the giveaway was the gala ka thing बांधने वाला that made it like clearly Tapori.
Good
But
answer.
Munna is a very
Well
good
done,
one.
Sherlock
I remember
Holmes.
that. But the moment you said Munna, I can hear Urmila Matondkar saying Munna.
Exactly.
Her voice is also like so distinctive.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next direct is for Shreya. She holds the Guinness World Record for being the Bollywood actress with the longest film career, acting continuously for 70 years. She made her debut at the age of 12 and appeared in more than 700 films. Identify the actress.
She's
The
still
hints-
acting.
I can't say. But fine, she's not acting anymore because she passed away. But 700 films, she's been acting since the age of 12 and 70 years. So think about that. 70 years is a hint.
Let me try adopting some of Ria's techniques. If I have to think that she passed away maybe 2-3 years back, it means that she's been acting since 45, 60, no, 50, she's been acting since 1945, is it? Since before independence? Is that leading me somewhere that can that can reveal the answer to me? Why is 70 years a hint?
70 years is very long for anyone. So you can imagine how old she was when she died.
That way. Is she okay like that? It's okay. I don't want to think so much. Is this Zohra Sehgal by any chance?
No, it's not, but that's a good answer. So moving to Ankita.
Oh no, मेरा यही आंसर होने वाला था.
Hello, one eliminated.
और जितना ओल्ड हुई बचा कौन फिर? I don't know. I'm gonna pass. I was not even thinking about it because I knew it's Zohra Sehgal. मेरा तो thought process ही खत्म हो गया था. It's not gonna start again. Okay, I pass.
Okay. So then moving to Neil.
Again, I have two answers. Is this Nirupa Roy?
It's not Nirupa Roy.
Then
Moving to
Nirupa.
Ria.
I have no clue. 70 years, I stopped thinking right there. No clue. I haven't watched a lot of old movies. 70 years is out of question.
Okay, so you pass.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving to Shreya again for a 5-pointer. The hint is that she generally played a negative character.
It is the other one.
Oh, is it? I've forgotten her name. It's just her name starts with S, maybe. I've forgotten her name. I think I know who this is, but I can't recall her name. Is there any other hint you can give?
It'll be a big. If you don't get it, the others will definitely get this.
Which I think, yeah, okay. They anyway will.
She's got one eye issue. She's got a damaged eye in some ways.
Yeah, I just can't. Her name starts with S, I know. Or at least I think I know. Shakila, Sharmila, Okay, I pass.
Okay, so moving to Ankita.
Again, I thought it was Manorma, but then you said she has an eye issue. So that is that other lady. I know who you're talking about, जिसको थप्पड़ पड़ा था जिसकी वजह से उसका आँख खराब है. But I don't know her name. I
Okay,
pass.
so moving to Neil.
Is it Lalita Pawar?
It is Lalita Pawar.
Hey, Lalita Pawar. What about that No,
There was a Shakila, but I don't think Shakila had.
was that famous? But there was a
Shakila
famous.
had more, I think, South Indian movies than I don't know.
It is Lalita.
Oh, Lalita Pawar. Huh?
That was the other one I was thinking when I said Nirupa Roy.
Shashikala. I meant Shashikala. But it's not Shashikala, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it didn't reach
She
me.
got a face paralysis because of an acting problem. Like, एक Amitabh Bachchan था who got hurt during Coolie and एक ये थी who became
Somebody
a
hit
perennial
her
lamp after this.
scene, like not hit her.
Yeah, during a scene. He was supposed to slap her and he, by mistake, hit her very hard because he was a new actor. He didn't know.
He didn't know.
He didn't
Like,
know.
actually slap somebody hard.
Happens quite often. Today I was reading that Sylvester Stallone during the making of Rocky wanted one of the boxers to punch him, and that guy punched him so hard that he had to be in the ICU for 9 days. Hit his heart or something. His heart got a jolt. Have been a trivia question in your quiz. I read it today.
The question is, we all know Chutki from the movie DDLJ. Her name is Pooja Ruparel. A lesser known fact is that DDLJ is not the first movie in which she acted with Shah Rukh Khan. Name the first movie in which they were seen together.
Okay. Let me think. I think I know this answer. I know. She was in King Uncle. She was the kid.
She was the kid.
Even I knew this. But King Uncle had, did it have Jackie Shroff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
भाई था ना ये.
He was the King Uncle.
He was
He was, I think, Shah Rukh Khan was his brother.
Yeah,
I guess.
he was his brother. Yeah. Okay, good answer. So the next direct is for Shreya. Dil Chahta Hai gave us some iconic dialogues like या तो दोस्ती गहरी है या तो ये photo 3D है. Which character or actor, I'll give you the point for either, in the film says this line? The line is या तो दोस्ती गहरी है या तो ये photo 3D है.
Who's after Cher?
I mean, I am confused between the two of them. But I think it is Saif Ali Khan who says it.
It is Saif Ali Khan, yes.
Finally! Oof. Get one right.
Plus such a dialogue only he can say like in that movie.
No, but I thought Amir Khan could also have said it because he was also one
First
smart
half.
ass. I
Okay,
love
so
Dil Chahta Hai. The dialogues of Dil Chahta Hai.
I love that movie. मतलब थोड़ा सा उसमें आमिर खान के arrogant and rude behavior को funny दिखाने का कोशिश किया है, but like it's okay. I like that movie.
Yeah.
That movie is Saif Ali Khan's one of the best.
I like Saif Ali
Like
Khan.
Langla Tyagi obviously being probably his top performance as an actor.
So the next direct is for Ankita, and this time it's a picture again. So you see on your screen the filmography of an actor. It's exhaustive over this period of time. With the two movies blacked out below, his career took a turn. Identify the actor.
रन से तो एक ही एक्टर हमको याद आता है, बट आई नो वो ये नहीं है बिकॉज ही वाजंट इन दीज अदर मूवीज. मिथ्या अग्निपथ रिसेंटली वॉच्ड अग्निपथ, उसमें और कौन कौन है पता नहीं. आई एम गोना पास. आई डोंट नो, सॉरी.
Okay, so moving to Neil.
Omkara. Haran. Is it? What's his name?
It's as if Ria knows this answer with her smile.
I don't know if I know it or not, but I have a guess. Like,
Must be the right one. No.
His name? Is it Vijay? What's his? Vijay Verma or something?
No, it's not Vijay Varma. We'll move on to Ria.
is it Pankaj Tripathi?
It is Pankaj Tripathi.
It is.
2000 gangs, his Gangs of Wasseypur say like his the career went took a different turn or something.
Yeah, both of them. The Blacked Out movies are the two Gangs of Wasseypur.
What was the name of that guy in Run? The
Raz.
Vijay Raj.
Vijay Raj. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I was thinking him.
We are at the midpoint, and I'm going to reverse the direction. But before that, let me tell you the scores. Ankita is at 10 points. Neil is at 25. Ria is at 30. And Shreya is at 10 points as well. Again, anybody's game. So reversing, and then the direct one goes to Neil. You see a list of 5 movies on your screen. I want you to tell me what is common between them.
I know this one.
Not gonna tell me?
No.
Like, are you going to listen to me?
No, I won't list the movies. You should be able to guess the movies from the images.
Yeah.
Who is after Neil?
Ankita.
Then Ria, then me. Oof.
No, Ankita, then you, then Ria.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Is Sharmila Tagore somehow related to all these movies?
No, it's not Sharmila Tagore. Okay, so moving to Ankita.
I'm not sure first वाला photo किस movie का है, but I do think there's a common link between the remaining 4, so I'm guessing that's it. That all of them are based on a book.
That's right. That's right
Yeah.
answer. They're
The
all
first one is Guide.
I thought it was Guide, but उसमें वहीदा रहमानी थी, so I got confused.
I didn't know Parinita was actually based on a book, but I knew the other 4 were. This one is
Parinita, right?
Parinita was Sharad Chandra's movie.
Chattopadhyay, yes.
Good answer. So Ankita gets 10 points.
I
So
knew this one. This one is that Seven Husbands, na? Ruskin Bond wala, the one
Yeah.
before that.
I was thinking Barfi. Priyanka Chopra wala image.
उसमें तो उसका बाल वैसा था वैसा.
इसमें वैसे ही लग रहा ना, she's put a hairband and everything.
Yeah. This is the look she comes from the hostel or whatever.
Okay, so because Ankita answered this question, the next direct is for Shreya. And it's actually an audio question. I want you to guess the song. Which song is this?
गूंजी सी है, आओ ना. I used to sing this song. It was one of the songs I used to sing as part of my singing classes.
That's the correct song. It's an underappreciated song, I think. It's
Beautiful
such
song.
a great song. But yeah, it is that song from Kyun Ho Gya Na?
I like this movie also. It's good only. Either that or plus वो उस time पे आया था, मेरा विवेक ओबरॉय फेस चल रहा था जब. So
Yeah. Vivek,
Vivek Oberoi was also in this movie. At that time they were going out.
okay, so this is Ria's direct. What was Irfan Khan's role in the movie Bajirao Mastani?
Okay. Bajirao. Irfan Khan's.
Yeah.
Was Bajirao Mastani, Irfan Khan. Why can't I remember? Like
Yeah, I mean I can't remember. Irfan Khan from that movie.
Yeah,
Where was he?
I can't imagine.
Which is why this is on the quiz. It,
You need the name of the character, or
whatever comes to your mind.
Bajirao Mastani. Wait.
Ria's deduction process.
Can't be Bajirao. Cannot be Mastani.
Was he the narrator?
He was the narrator. He was the narrator.
Wow.
He was in. Wait, when did he? He was actually the narrator.
Yeah, he was the narrator.
Remember there was a narrator, or did you just take a wild guess that there may have been a narrator?
Such movies, they have no like historical, like they all start off with that beech mein to tell the timeline and stuff.
My God.
Amitabh Bachchan has also been in so many movies.
That is some talent.
Deduction talent. Okay, so the next direct is for Neil. It's a picture. I want you to identify which is this movie shown in an iconic ad from Amul. From Amul butter.
Oh,
Which movie is this?
But if it's iconic, it should be Swadesh.
Whose question is
See
this?
the image.
Neil's direct.
Oh, this is Piku.
This is Piku.
his Amitabh Bachchan's getup is very. This is
Yeah.
quite iconic with his topi also.
Yeah. Even Deepika Padukone's short pants, kurta and pajama.
There's a similar ad of Swadesh also with 3 people on the scooter with Amul.
Yeah. Okay. So because Neil answered this question, the next direct is for Ankita and it's actually an audio file. I want you to guess the song.
This is that na do dil mil rahe hain from Pardes.
Correct. That is right. I'll do a quick round of scores. We've got the last 2 questions left. So Ankita is at 30, Neil is at 35, Riya is at 50, and Shreya is at 20. And the next direct is for Shreya. So this movie was initially titled High Jump. The movie is said to have been inspired from the biography of the legendary Japanese filmmaker Akira Kurosawa. What movie is being talked about here?
It's about Akira Kurosawa.
Yeah.
The movie is, and it's a Bollywood movie.
Yeah, the Hindi movie.
Oh. So, what? Sorry, Akira Kurosawa is a filmmaker, right?
He is a filmmaker, yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Somehow when you said high jump, I thought of an athlete. Filmmaker. What is the name of the movie, is it? That's the question.
Yes.
Is it a recent movie?
Recent enough. I mean, maybe 10, 15 years old.
I can't. I'm drawing a blank. I don't remember any movie, having watched any movie which has a filmmaker as its protagonist. And that too, this must have been a famous movie because it's a biography of Akira Kurosawa. I don't know. I'll pass.
Okay, so moving to Riya.
It's Tare Zameen Pe. But
It is Tare Zameen Pe, yes.
Ew. How
So
come?
he wasn't always a filmmaker, director. He was a teacher. I think it's based on that. So High Jump is based on that.
Oh, so Amit, I've not watched Tare Zameen Par though.
But I don't think this was a question जिसका answer you would have known अगर आप देखे होते movie, because I watched the movie. I didn't know it's based on Akira.
There's no
Yeah, and
direction.
when you said it was supposed to be named High Jump and then it's based on Akira Kurosawa, I was like, अच्छा ये वो Akira picture है. because I think she's an athlete.
Oh, acha, that Sonakshi Sinha movie. She's
The
Akira.
high jump, I heard high jump and I thought Chalan.
Ha, same.
Then came Akira Kurosawa. I was like, athlete. Then you said filmmakers. Like, no, nothing.
There's so many red herrings in this
Yeah.
question, actually. Yeah.
I even thought of Wake Up Sid. I was like, maybe that was his way to start his filmmaking journey. Like,
That man-child.
yeah, like became photographer and then eventually started making.
Finally, somebody pushed him into becoming Akira Kurosawa.
So I think we have a winner for the quiz, even though we have one question left, which is a direct to Neil, because Ria is already at 50 points. Neil is at 35. So even if you get it, you'll be at 45.
But Ria knew this answer, right? Ria, or did you follow some? Yes,
No,
did
no.
you work your way up to this answer also?
I knew about this.
Some
So
matrix
basically,
level
like,
reduction
for the
happening, all
Japanese.
calculation going in front of it.
So I do have like a kind of like knowledge about these Japanese, Chinese, Taiwanese, Korean.
Ria's drawing on all her interests in this.
This is bringing all her knowledge together.
SRK, the ISKCON.
I got 2 SRK questions. One I didn't answer, but okay.
Okay, so the last question is a direct to Neil. And here is your filmography. It's a filmography question again. So I want you to tell me Devish Tendency is the filmography of which actor? And the movies here are Sir, Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke, Naraz, Raja Hindustani, Pratishwar, Girvi, Tamanna, Bhai. I've blanked out one, very obvious one, Dushman and Angare. And this is exhaustive over that period of time, but not
Yeah, I'm
exhaustive.
thinking of 2 people. One of them, I don't know that person's name. So I'm going with the other one. Is it Kunal Khemu?
It is Kunal Khemu, yes.
Yeah, even I thought of Kunal Khemu.
This is his whole filmography as
Which is
a
one
child
you
actor.
blanked out?
Which is the one you blacked out? Which one is more famous than Raja Hindustani?
Zak,
And Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke?
yeah, Zak.
Which one?
Zakhm.
Zak, Gali Mein Aaj Chand Nikla, that one.
Ah.
Okay,
In which
so
also he was a kid, right? In that one
he was
also.
a kid. This is actually his
He was a
total.
kid for a very long time.
This is his
Yeah.
total child filmography.
For some weird reason, I watched a lot of his movies as a child. I watched Sir, Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke, Naraz, Raja Hindustani, Girvi, Bhai, Dushman.
Wow.
I watched Tamanna. I remember that. Paresh, Ashutosh Rana was in. Oh no, was it Paresh Rawal in Tamanna where he played a eunuch? I think it
Oh,
Oh,
was.
is it that movie, Tamanna?
Tamanna is that one. Paresh
Then I
Rawal.
watched that. I don't know.
Ashutosh Rana was a eunuch in Sangharsh, no?
No, this is Paresh Rawal who plays it.
This is Paresh Rawal in Tamanna.
Was he the
What's
guy
that
who
movie?
used to kill babies or something?
That was Sangharsh.
That was Sangharsh, Ashutosh Rana. Anyway, with that, we come to the end of the last quiz of 2020. It's been a great, great year of actually starting all things movies and then bringing it to, well, a reasonable level of consistency, I would say. But the final scores are Ankita with 30 points, Neil with 45 points, Ria wins the quiz with 50 points, and Shreya with 20 points. So, well done, everyone, and very close match between Neil and Ria. But great, thanks for coming on the quiz, and I will see you again next year with a lot more of these. Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.